Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with an informative tutorial on cross-validation with k-nearest neighbors, KNN, in Python. Cross-validation is a technique used to assess the performance of a machine learning model by dividing the dataset into multiple subsets and using each subset for both training and testing. This helps to obtain a more reliable estimate of the model's performance. In this tutorial, we'll focus on implementing k-fold cross-validation with k-nearest neighbors using Python and the popular machine learning library, scikit-learn. Make sure you have scikit-learn installed. If not, you can install it using. For this tutorial, we'll use the iris dataset, which is a commonly used dataset for classification tasks. In this example, we created a k-nearest neighbors classifier with n_neighbors equals 3 and used 5-fold cross-validation to evaluate its performance. Adjust the parameters based on your specific requirements. This simple tutorial provides a basic understanding of how to implement cross-validation with k-nearest neighbors using scikit-learn in Python. Remember that choosing the right value for k and other hyperparameters is essential for obtaining good model performance. Feel free to modify the code and dataset according to your specific needs. ChatGPT. Sure, I can provide you with an informative tutorial on cross-validation with k-nearest neighbors, KNN, in Python. Cross-validation is a crucial technique for assessing the performance of machine learning models, and KNN is a simple yet powerful algorithm for classification and regression tasks. Objective: in this tutorial, we will learn how to perform cross-validation with KNN using Python. Cross-validation helps us evaluate the performance of our model on multiple subsets of the dataset, providing a more robust estimate of its generalization performance. Prerequisites. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. Step 2. Load dataset. For this tutorial, let's use the famous iris dataset. Step 3. Initialize KNN classifier. Step 4. Cross-validation setup. We'll use k-fold cross-validation, where the dataset is divided into k subsets, and the model is trained k times, each time using a different subset as the test set. Step 5. Perform cross-validation. Now, we'll use the cross_val_score function to evaluate the KNN model using cross-validation. In this example, we used accuracy as the scoring metric, but you can choose other metrics such as precision, recall, or F1 score depending on your problem. Step 6. Hyperparameter tuning. You can also perform cross-validation for different values of the hyperparameter, example n_neighbors, to find the optimal value. This tutorial covers the basics of performing cross-validation with KNN in Python. You can adapt this code to your specific dataset and problem by loading your own data and adjusting the hyperparameters. ChatGPT.